Bye. Let's hear some sounds of jungle. Which animal is tiny and shiny?
Butterfly.
Which animal is spiky and scaly?
Chameleon.
Which animal is rough and tough?
Rhinoceros.
Which animal is stripy and sharp?
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Which animal is spotty and speedy?
Leopard. Leopard.
Which animal is big and strong?
Elephant. Elephant.
Which animal is big and strong? It's elephant. Which animal is wiggly and silly?
Monkey. Monkey.
Which animal loud and proud? Which animal is loud and proud?
Lion. Lion.
Which animal is fluffy and feathery?
Toucan. Toucan.
Which animal is tall and thin?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
I'll ask you, which animal is tall and thin?
Giraffe.
Which animal is fluffy and feathery?
Toucan.
Which animal is loud and proud?
Lion.
Which animal is wiggly and silly?
Monkey.
Which animal is big and strong?
Elephant.
Which animal is spotty and speedy?
Leopard.
Which animal is stripy and sharp?
Crocodile.
Which animal is rough and tough?
Rhinoceros.
Which animal is spiky and scaly?
Chameleon.
Which animal is tiny and shiny?
Butterfly.
That's all.